Okay guys, we're going to continue subtracting within 1,000. We are still using our base 10 blocks, but we're going to start moving away from that and just practice the algorithm, or what we call the column problems. So let's review your work from yesterday, and then we are going to move into more of just the column problems today. Alright, so this is your paper from yesterday. You need to get yours out, 339, and let's check your work. I'm going to make mine a lot larger so we can focus on the problems. Alright, number 1, we had 43 minus 17. So 43 is 4 10s and 3 1s. Now we need to subtract 17. Now if I look in my ones column and I circle my big number, which is 7, I see that my big number is where? It's on the bottom. If your big number is on the bottom, we're going to have to do what? Go next door and grab 10 more. So when we go next door and grab 10 more, this 4, we're going to take one away, a group of 10. We're going to move it next door and break it into 10 ones. So we no longer have 4 10s, we have 1 less. 4 minus 1 is 3. But in the ones column, I have 10 more now. So 10 plus 3, I now have 13. Now I can subtract. 13 minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when I count, I have 6 left. Now I move over to my 10s. I have 3, and I need to subtract 1. So I cross out the 1. What do I have left? I have 2. My answer is 26. All right, next problem, 38 minus 29. So I have 38 over here. You should have had 3 10s and 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when I look at my problem in the ones column, 8 minus 9, I notice that my big number is where? It's on the bottom. My big number is on the bottom. I'm going to have to go next door and grab 10 more. So I have to grab one of these and take it next door and break it up into 10 ones. So now I had 3, but I took 1 away. 3 minus 1 equals 2. I had 8 plus 10 more. I have 18 now. So now I can subtract. I take away my 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I still have 9 left. Now in this column, in the 10s, I have 2, and I take away 2. How many are left? I have none left. Do I place my 0 there? No, I don't need to place my 0 there. So your answer is 9. Thumbs up if you got both of those right. Great job. All right, the next one. Kendall has 63 stickers. Her sister has 57 stickers. How many more stickers does Kendall have than her sister? So we're going to subtract to find out how many more. All right, so let's do 63. That's 6 tens and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 ones. Now when we look at our problem, 3 minus 7, where's our big number? It's on the bottom. What are we going to have to do? Go next door and grab 10 more. So 6, we take a group of 10 away, is 5. And here we added the group of 10, so 10 plus 3 is 13. Now we can subtract. Take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, how many do we have left? We have 6. Now we have 5, and we have to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, how many are there left on that side? None. So do we have to write the 0 here? No. So how many stickers does Kendall have more than her sister? 6 more stickers. 6 more. All right, turn your page over. At the top, we are regrouping. All right, we're going to try to do it without using our chart. Now remember, you can use any of your subtraction strategies you want. You can count on, count back. You can use your number line. All right, I have my number line ready if I need it. Whatever you need to do to help you. All right, but let's try not to draw unless we absolutely have to. All right, so we have 47 minus 18. Let's look at it in the ones column. Start on the right. 7 minus 8. Where's our big number, guys? 8. It's on the what? It's on the bottom. If your big number's on the bottom, we have to go next door and grab 10 more. So if we need to take a group of 10, 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now let's add it back over here. 7 plus 10 is 17. Now we have 17 minus 8. Start with 17. And how many do we hop back? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's my answer? 9. All right, now go to your tens place. 3 minus 1. 3. How many do we hop? Hop back 1. What's our answer? 2. The answer is 29. All right, let's try number 2. 33 minus 29. Start on the right. Circle your big number. What's our bigger number? It's 9. Where's our bigger number? On the bottom. If we have more on the floor, we're going to go next door and grab 10 more. So we make this 3. We have to take a group of 10. So we say 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now we have to add 10 ones. So 3 plus 10 equals 13. Now we can subtract 13 minus 9. So we can start at 13 and let's hop back 9. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My answer is 4. Now to my tens place. I have 2 and I need to take away 2. If I have 2 and I need to hop back 2, 1, 2, what's my answer? 0. That's right. So do I put a 0 here? No, I leave it blank. All right. Now, review. 10 minus 6. We can say 10 minus 6, or I could say 10 plus what number equals 10. I can use a related fact. Let's count on until we get to 10 and we'll figure out the missing number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's my missing number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. All right. 16 plus 49. Start on the right. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 65. All right, number 5. 28 plus 8. If you need to put the 0 there to hold your place, you can, if it confuses you. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 is 1 10 and 6 ones. Now we can add 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is still 3. Your answer is 36. $52 minus 6. All right, let's put that 0 in as a placeholder so we're not confused. Start on the right. All right, where's your bigger number? It's on the bottom. All right, we've got to go next door and grab 10 more. So take a group of 10. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 minus 6. All right. Find 12. Hop back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer is 6. Go to your tens place. 4 minus 0. So I have 4. I don't take anything from it. My answer is still 4. 46 is your answer. All right, turn the page. All right, let's look at today's lesson. All right, your essential question is at the top. It says, how do you record the steps when subtracting 2-digit numbers? That's what we're going to focus on doing first. All right, first we're going to do 2 problems where you listen and draw. So listen carefully, and then we're going to draw some pictures. Put your finger on the first one. You have a mat with 10s and 1s. All right, Devin had 36 toy robots on his shelf. He moved 12 of the robots to his closet. How many robots are on the shelf now? Listen again. Devin had 36 toy robots on his shelf. He moved 12 of the robots to his closet. How many robots are on the shelf now? All right, try to solve that problem. Press play when you're ready to go over it. Okay, so it said Devin had 36 toy robots on his shelf. So 36 is 3 10s and 6 1s. All right, it said he moved 12 of the robots to his closet. So we need to get rid of 12. 12 is 1 10 and 2 1s. It says, how many robots are on the shelf now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 10s. So 2 10s and 4 1s equals 24. All right, thumbs up if you got 24 toy robots. All right, now we're going to try a second one. All right, listen. Devin had 54 toy cars. Devin had 54 toy cars. He gave 9 of them to his brother. How many cars does Devin have now? Devin had 54 toy cars. He gave 9 of them to his brother. How many cars does Devin have now? All right, pause the video. When you're ready, press play and we'll go over it. Okay, it said that Devin had 54 toy cars. 54 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s and 4 1s. He gave 9 of them to his brother. All right, so he gave away 9, guys. I only have 4 over here. How can I take away 9? I'm going to have to go next door and grab 10 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now can I take away 9? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So 4 tens, 5 ones, 45 toy cars left. All right, thumbs up if you got that answer. All right, what was different about the way you solved problem 1 and the way you solved problem 2? All right, in problem 2, we did not have enough ones to subtract, so we had to break apart a group of tens to subtract the ones. So we needed to regroup in problem 2, but did not need to regroup in problem 1. And there will be times that happens. All right. Turn the page. Let's model and draw regrouping today without drawing our place value blocks. I think we're ready to move on from that. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm going to get it straightened out. Miss Byers had something fallen. So sorry. All right. Now, we have the problem 42 minus 15. All right, the first step you need to do is look in your ones place. I want you guys to circle the larger number. If your larger number is on the floor or on the bottom, we know we need to go next door and grab 10 more. So it's saying, look at your numbers. Are there enough ones to subtract? So there's 2 ones. Are there enough to subtract 5? No. All right, so what you have to do is regroup 110 as 10 ones. So what you're going to do is go next door, subtract one group of tens, so 4 minus 1 is 3, and add the 10 ones back. 2 plus 10 equals 12. So you can trace over it. Now, step 3 is actually subtracting your ones place. So 12 minus 5, you can use any type of strategy you want to. Remember, I said you can count back, you can count on, you can use your number line. Whatever strategy you use to help you subtract, just do it and get your answer. So 12 minus 5 equals 7. And then you'll move to your tens place. You have 3 tens minus 1 equals 2 tens. Then you would have your answer of 27. All right, so let's practice some together. All right, number 1, share and show. All right, 31 minus 14. All right, guys, look in your ones column. Start on the right. What's your larger number? It is 4. Right, it's on the floor, so we go next door and grab 10 more. Right, that's 3. We need to take away a group of 10. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So cross it out and write 2. Now we add the 10 ones back to the ones place. 10 plus 1 is 11. So now we have 11 ones. Now we can subtract 11 minus 4. All right, so I go to my number line, 11, count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My answer is 7. Then I go to my tens place. I have 2 minus 1 more. So 2, hop back 1. What's my answer? 1. All right, you guys help me do number 2. 56 minus 21. All right, where is your big number? It's at the top. So do we need to regroup? No. Guys, if you have 6, can you take away 1? Yes. All right, so subtract. What's 6 minus 1? 6. Hop back 1. 5. Then go to your tens column. 5 minus 2. 5. Let's hop back 2. 1, 2, 3. 35. All right, and number 3, 72 minus 35. All right, start on the right. We have 2 minus 5. What's your larger number? 5. Our big number's on the floor. We have to go next door and grab 10 more. 7 minus 1. 6. We have to add those 10 ones back over. 2 plus 10 more is 12. Now you subtract and write your answer. All right, let's go over your answer. 12 minus 5 equals 7. And in your tens place, 6 minus 3. It is 3. 37. Okay. Today for practice, because we need plenty of practice, I want you guys to practice page 343. So you're going to do 4 through 15 as practice. All right, remember to use any strategy. Make sure you circle the bigger number. Okay, to help you. Look right here, 7 minus 7. Which number's bigger? It's the same. What's your answer if the numbers are the same? 0, that's right. All right, but most of the time one will be bigger than the other. All right, number 16. Let's look at it. This is your math on the spot. It says Spencer wrote 5 fewer stories than Katie. Spencer wrote 18 stories. How many stories did Katie write? Spencer wrote 5 fewer stories than Katie. That means Spencer wrote 5 less than Katie. Spencer wrote 18 stories. How many stories did Katie write? You have to think about what it's telling you. All right, you're going to see if you can figure out that problem. I will hook the video for you to watch and see how they solve it. You're going to do the front side only today. Front side only. All right, do your very best work. We're going to go over it tomorrow.